Know what the fuck going on? Yeah. YouTube, what's up? This man right now back with a video. And today when y'all see that title, boy, I ain't gonna motherfucking lie. But we got that motherfucker Wade, Majorwaydom. Let me go see before he got going on, man. Let's see what he got going on. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell. Like I said, on that grind, subscribe, and right on motherfucking time. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell. I ain't gonna lie, my storage fucking up on my you know what? My storage is fucking old. We'll get through this shit though. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell. Let's get into this shit, man. Ain't shit finna stop winning. They do it. Little arrow. Y'all, they do it.
Even though I live my life on the road, doesn't mean I don't have time for you. Plenty I've tried, almost came close, but none of them compared to you. So let's live our life more than one night. Promise if I could, I'd do it twice. What you say? Put them on pause, press play. Hold on, that girl. I love you, babe.
I love you, babe.
Never put me in a jam. That shit pop when we posted up inside that van. Everywhere I go, know I clutch you back. It never stop. Feeling mad, said you been in my bag. I'm told you a lot. Only thing is about some bitch. This a letter to my Glock. If y'all hating, fuck y'all bitches. Come and catch a couple shots. Posted up.
I ain't gonna lie, I thought it was a little to a female too. No offense. But that's a little to my Glock.
With G-Law with me, do I need a switch or not? Get to the point, this bitch go round for round. No, this shit never stop. Where you safe with me, we posted on any block. I up it first, you get murdered, your eye run, then you get dropped.
Spin nigga block, send me ops and his ass to the top. Running my money on go to the top. Got me 2 Glocks, put his ass on Fox. Put his ass on Fox, my game.
Hold on now. You say go put his ass on Fox? God damn, but slow down. Don't put him on Fox, please, y'all. Please let him live. Let him live.
Got a Trevor in the cook, he ready to slide. You get the fort on high, my mind. The bro try to run, shoot his ass in his leg.
I love you, babe. You ain't never put me in a jam.
I take you shopping, go to eat, then go buy you pearls. You call my phone like, what's the word? What's the fuck gon' die for sure? I wish you would come tryna claim. Put a nigga all in the brain. This no tag, you must be insane. Majorway, nigga, you already know that in my game. Majorway.
I love you, babe.
I love you, babe.
Never put me in a jam. You make shit pop when we posted up inside that van. Everywhere I go, know I clutch you back.
It never stop.
Feeling mad, said you been in my bag.
This he been in my bag.
Hold on. Was that a female rapping on that beat? That's a nigga. Cause both of them spin that beat. Which one?
I love you, babe.
I love you, babe.
Never put me in a jam. You make shit pop when we posted up inside that van. Everywhere I go, know I clutch you back.
It never stop.
Feeling mad, said you been in my bag.
This he been in my bag.
That bit hard, letter I wrote. Like I said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell. And I ain't gonna lie, I think it was it 2 bit on that bit. That bit was hard. Y'all two need to keep making songs. That bit hard. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell. Y'all, there's a video. I'm out.